Being in this industry 17 plus years, one thing I have learned is the business of the business. Many of us actors, though, we only think of it from a creative point of view. What we want to create, how do we want to emote, what do we want to book? And we forget that the business of the business is the absolute foundation of what helps us build a long-term career. I'm Dave Pileggi, actor, acting coach, casting director, producer with our production company, director, writer, all the things. And one thing I've learned is the business of the business. I've also learned how little actors understand about the business. This Business of the Business workshop that we are doing this month is going to help you understand everything from contracts to your own business plan, marketing plan, and how every decision you make needs to be a combination of your creative dream of where you want to go and the business of the business, and how that decision will affect your business in building your company, your business, which is your brand in the industry. It is amazing how many actors don't understand this. So I want to invite you to come. It's only $37, as always, our monthly workshops, or it's included in your Climbing the Call Sheet membership, $27 a month. I want to encourage you to come because my goal at the end of this is for you to understand everything from contracts to business plan to marketing plan to your relationship with your agents and more, and how the business is vital for you to understand. I hope this helps your career go to a whole nother level for the rest of your career. We'll see you there, Business of the Business workshop this month.